find it useful. Okay, so this is the point of control. Okay, this is the fairest price. This is the price where maximum trading has happened. This is the price where buyers were absolutely in balance with sellers. There is a clear logic for that. I agree that. Now this is the value area high and value area low. Okay, now if you are strictly going by the statistical rules, 68.2 something percent is your first standard deviation. That is what the height of this will be. Okay, what if I take 70? What if I take 65? What if I take 72? There will be slight changes, but then what is the logic behind this? It's just one standard deviation. Just because something is working does not give you the right to start using it, because it will stop working. At some point in time, it will stop working. At some point in time, you will see you have put a stop loss at value very high. It just takes your stop loss and comes back. At some point, you are expecting it to provide support and it won't. Right? I could not find a logic. You give me a logical reason for why you should use value area highs and lows, then I will contest with that, and then probably if I have to change, I'll change. I have no issues with that. Okay, I don't want to just blindly hold on to any concept because I have shared it. Right? I have no such ego as such. If I am proven wrong, I'll happily admit, because I don't want to lose money. If I am proven wrong, I am proven wrong. Big deal. I am proven wrong in the market almost daily. Just a while ago, I showed you how I was proven wrong. I have no problem with that. But you give me a very solid logical reason why value area high and low are important. Why point of control is important, I can give you a reason. Why HVNs are important, I can give you a reason. Alright. Why extremes are important, I can give you a reason. Like, it's not like I have, I have something hidden which I'm not sharing. I have shared everything with you. So you give me a strong enough reason to believe why value area high and low should work, whether on time profile or on volume profile. I have no issues. I'll probably have a nice debate with you, discuss it with you, and if I feel that yes, there is a point there, I'll change my ways. Then I'll make a video and I'll share it with everyone who cares to know that why value area high and low are important. I simply cannot find a way. Most of the people who are using it, they are just observing what is happening on the chart. That is not the way to trade. You have to have a strong logical foundation behind each and everything you do on the charts. Make sense? And only then it will help you. Otherwise, it absolutely does not make any sense.